Yeah, come this way. Yeah, we're going to.
Flash music, YBNC, John Blue. I've been waiting for so long. Oh yeah, tell me where you gonna do now. Oh girl, I've been waiting for so long. Say I wanna come along.
The weather is not looking nice at all. Hey guys, good morning. How are you all doing? Today is the next day, guys. I have my hand mixer already and I have my butter. Just want to quickly cream the butter and sugar out of the way. I also have some clothes on the washing machine right now, but the weather is not looking nice. I hope this rain does not fall. Like, the winter is here already, guys. The weather is not looking nice. So guys, I will show you all behind the scene of my workflow. I do a lot of stuff. Apart from YouTube, I cook for people, I bake cake, I do snacks, I sell them. Like, I sell a lot of things, guys. I'm an entrepreneur, I am a caterer, I do a lot of work. So guys, I can bake a cake for your wedding, for your birthday, for any ceremony, guys. Just contact me. I will just bring you guys along. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Don't dull. Be a part of this wonderful family. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of the new video, okay? So to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Keep on watching this vlog.
Flash music, YBNC, John Blue. I've been waiting for so long. Oh yeah, tell me where you gonna do now. Oh girl, I've been waiting for so long. Say I wanna come along. I've been waiting, my heart is frozen. You're my lady, you are my darling. I've been waiting, my heart is frozen. You are my lady, and my darling. Ra ra ra, ra ra, ra ra. I've been looking for you, child, baby. Oh, I've been thinking of you, child, baby, baby, baby. Oh, I've been waiting for you, child. Oh, my beautiful baby, I've been thinking of you, child. Baby, oh, baby, baby, oh, beautiful baby, child. Na, 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 beautiful, na, 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 na. When I look into your eyes, it's your love I see, child. Anytime you come around, it's your love I see, child. You're so special, my lover. I will hold you forever. I will.
This is nutmeg, my vanilla, and egg.
Darling, I've been waiting. My heart is frozen. You are my lady, and my darling. Ra ra ra, ra ra, ra ra. I've been looking for you, child, baby. Oh, I've been thinking of you, child, baby, baby, baby. Oh, I've been waiting for you, child. Oh, my beautiful baby, I've been thinking of you, child, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Oh,
creamy, guys. So I'm done mixing this. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the pan. Welcome.
Pizza.
You buy pizza. Pizza.
Why you throw down garbage? What's the cup?
You want to go chop?
Music, YBNC, John Blue. I've been waiting for so long. Oh, yeah. Tell me where you gonna do now. Oh, girl. I've been waiting for so long. Say I wanna come along. I've been waiting. My heart is frozen. You're my lady.
He's back from work. He bought this pizza.
I've been waiting. My heart is frozen. You are my lady and my darling.
Guys, this is how the pizza is inside. Take the carton. All of this is crying for the pizza already.
Baby, oh, I've been thinking of you, child. Baby, 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 oh, I've been waiting for you, child. Oh, my beautiful baby, I've been thinking of you, child. Flash music, YBNC, John Blue. I've been waiting for so long. Oh, yeah. Tell me where you gonna do now. Oh, girl. I've been waiting for so long. Say I wanna come along. I've been waiting. My heart is frozen. You're my lady. You are my darling. I've been waiting. My heart is frozen. You are my lady and my darling. Ra 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 ra. I've been looking for you, child. Baby, oh, I've been thinking of you, child. Baby, 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 oh, I've been waiting for you, child. Oh, my beautiful baby, I've been thinking of you, child. Baby, oh, baby, baby, oh, beautiful baby, child.
Just finished doing this right now. I am molding my fondant. So I'm going to be making letters with this fondant. I am going to be writing Victoria, VICTORI, remaining A. So I'm just this is my letter A. I'm going to use this to push it out.
I've been looking for you, child. Baby, oh, I've been thinking of you, child. Baby, 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 oh, I've been waiting for you, child. Oh, my beautiful baby, I've been thinking of you, child. Baby, oh, baby, baby, oh, beautiful baby, child. Ah, na, na, na. Beautiful, na 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 na. Ah, na 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 na. Jeje, jeje, na na.
when I'm like, I've been working all day, so it's time for me to relax, enjoy myself. I'm actually uploading a video right now, so that video will be up before this one. Make sure to watch it. The cake came out very, very beautiful, as you have seen. Guys, the cake was so beautiful, and my client was very, very happy. So guys, yeah, so guys, hope you all enjoyed this wonderful vlog. I really enjoyed filming it, and yeah, I really enjoyed taking you guys along. So see you guys on my next one. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and to all my returning subscriber, my gift gang, I love you all, and thank you so much for the support. Keep on growing, we keep on growing, we keep on moving forward. No backward, guys, no stopping. So guys, I love you all, and see you on my next one. Bye bye.